apparently it had been granted, however, there is no reason given as to why the application was granted. And in reviewing the application for extended coverage, I note that Hawaii Gorilla Video Hui is the name of the organization, and just first blush, in reading that, together with the rules that govern applications for extended coverage, Rule 5.2, 5.1, the court has doubt as to whether this application is providently granted. I don't know if Hawaii Gorilla Video Hui is a media or educational institution as defined by these rules. And in any event, the rules are specific as to whether what kind of equipment is permitted. Specifically, one television camera, and the court does not see that there is a television camera in a television studio otherwise.
There is.
And therefore, based on this, I'm prepared to deny the application for extended coverage. I'll revisiting that issue, although it has, as I said, been granted. I cannot tell, based on the order itself, the reasoning behind the order. So I'm going to set this for hearing before Judge Ochiai, who did grant the application, so the judge can, with clarity, explain the reasons for having granted the application for extended coverage. And trial in the matter will continue the same date and time that we're setting this for hearings, so Judge Ochiai can clarify his application for extended coverage. This court does not have the power to overrule another judge's decision. And as I said, the application has been granted, but I cannot tell from it whether it was providently granted, and I'm not in a position to reverse Judge Ochiai, although at first blush, in reviewing the application and the rules, the court has doubt as to whether the order itself was providently granted. So,
Your Honor, would the court be inclined to address the issue upon a state's motion to set aside, or motion to reconsider the order granting the extended coverage today?
you're moving for that
The state would move,
reconsideration.
yes, Your Honor, the state would move for the court to reconsider and set aside the judgment.
Even more so in that case, is that the order was not, the order was granted by Judge Ochiai. I can't get into his head as to the reasons that he had for granting the order for application. So your motion is continued for hearing before Judge Ochiai. I will not reconsider it, but we'll set it on state's motion seeking reconsideration of the order for...
Your Honor, the state would withdraw its motion to reconsider at this time.
Well, I'm going to set it for Judge Ochiai to revisit and explain with clarity. Your motion, if you are making it, is in essence what the court is doing, but how are you choosing to proceed?
Your Honor, the state would withdraw its motion and allow the court to respond to address the issue.
Well, this court is not going to do it. The court is setting it before Judge Ochiai. So what I understood your motion to be would be a motion for reconsideration. And that is, you can make that before this court. It's just that this court is not going to be hearing that motion. And I will set that motion before Judge Ochiai.
Your Honor, the state would request that the court not charge time to the defense for, charge time to the state for purposes of Rule 48 and speedy trial.
When that becomes an issue, that matter can be addressed. All right, so following the matter, continue with the application for extended coverage.
We want to set the 31st or November, October 31st?
Whenever Judge Ochiai is available.
Your Honor, in abundance of caution, the state requests that the court set the matter on or before October 28, 2012.
We'll do it before October 20th.
Also, Your Honor, permission to have the witnesses come in and ordered back for that date.
Are they under subpoena?
They are under subpoena, Your Honor.
And that subpoena will continue from day to day, or are they present?
Yes, Your Honor, they're outside.
All right.
Your Honor, may I ask a question?
What's your question?
I just wanted to ask a question about my witnesses. No, I did speak with the prosecutor, and so, basically, I understood that they would need to leave the courtroom, but I just wanted to see whether my witnesses could be on the record.
Not today. All right. And Mr. Bond.
Please state your names.
Officer Nellis Otto. Officer Kyofido Workman. Officer Ross Farashi.
John, trial in the matter is going to continue for reasons that have nothing to do with readiness of the case. Both sides are ready to go. It has been, it's a procedural issue on application for extended coverage, and I'm setting the matter for
17, October 17th.
October 17th. It'll be set on, for trial on that day. You're under subpoena, and the subpoena continues from day to day. So the court orders you to return on October 17th. Mr. Bailiff, are we saying at 1:30 or?
1:30.
1:30 in the afternoon. And I'm sorry about the inconvenience we had this afternoon.
No,
that's fine.
no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, there's also some civilian witnesses.
Mike, can you get the CW? Yes. Okay, thank you. Are they in the witness room, bro? Actually, can't let you go. You know what you're up.
Look at play up.
Thank you. Please state your names.
Christine Mao, Linda Liu.
Alex Ching.
And are each of you under subpoena?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Trial in the matter has been continued for reasons that the court doesn't need to get into. Trial is continued to October 17th at 1:30 in the afternoon. And the subpoena continues from day to day, so the court orders you to return on that date for trial in this matter. And I'm sorry about the inconvenience. All right, thank you. All right.
If there are no other matters, then this concludes our afternoon's calendar. Thank you, Your Honor.
All rise. Court adjourned.